Yeah, check me out. Check me out. DT. This my own beat, man. Just some little shit I'm working on, you know. Called Motivated by Money. I ain't really made no song out of it. I just wanna spit crazy on this bitch. NBM, nigga. You feel me? NBM, nigga. NBM. NBM, nigga. NBM. NBM, nigga. NBM. NBM, nigga. NBM. Motivated by money. Motivated by money. Motivated by money. Motivated by money. NBM, nigga. NBM. NBM, nigga. NBM. I do this shit for real. I don't move if it ain't currency. Only sold Joes on the block, but living fluently. Champagne in the glass and diamonds, bitch. I do this shit. 1250 square feet, one bed, only 23 with no college degree. Grinding out here in these streets and grab the day job to flip that check on a broke week. I gotta get this money cause my little nigga gotta eat. This really in the blood. Go check out a nigga dynasty. A band each pinky got La Mama heart racing. 2 bottles, 2 cups, making 1 with no chasing. Portofino puffin', I'm a boss in the making. Diamonds swole on me, nigga, like a fucking bus station. The baddest bitch around couldn't get a conversation unless she slide your boy Grant. Really, nigga, I ain't faking. Can't do a broke bitch. I live too extravagant. Burberry fits, that's just going above average. Diamond studded, diamond earrings, I like flashy shit. Tailor made linen for the beach, I like classy shit. Whip on the scene, mobbed up on some bullshit. Paint like a mirror with that extra high gloss shit. NBM, that's the shit I'm about. And if she ask me for my number, that's the shit I shout. 6 years in the game, I ain't hit no drought. Real green ass money, got that Brussels sprout. Old nosy ass bitches tuck in your snout. Got a card that I swipe, bet that bitch won't bounce. You leave from Nebraska, $7.50 an ounce. I swear my niggas in the hood eating lovely now. And DT in this bitch, he eating lovely now. 150 on a bottle, pop the bubbly now. 150 on a bottle, pop that bubbly now. Gon' mix it with the drink, yeah, I'm lovely now. I step in, step out, fresh in, fresh out, dressed up, dressed down, yeah, you know what I'm about. And I do my thing for the thing I do, and pushing down through the lane with that two-tone coupe. Bottle after bottle, taking down this gin. JG Whitworth in my pocket, lump sum so big. Cool breeze in the air, let me get the swig and pour a whole bottle out for my long lost niggas, you feel me? Hey, we do this shit, man. And if you ain't know what that cool breeze is, that ain't nothing but that perp, dro, and kush in the blunt, rolled up, smoking like a bitch. You feel me?